Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and switching the radio on. Open Settings, go to Devices, then Bluetooth, toggle it on. If you prefer speed, open the Action Center and enable Bluetooth there. Make sure airplane mode is disabled and any physical wireless switch on the laptop is set to on. Once done, look for your adapter in Device Manager under Bluetooth. Seeing the adapter means the OS detects the hardware, so you can move to driver checks and pairing next. Next, focus on drivers and the support service because software often blocks Bluetooth. In Device Manager, update the Bluetooth adapter driver. If that fails, uninstall the device and scan for hardware changes to force reinstall. Then open Services, find Bluetooth support service, set startup type to automatic and start it. If problems persist, get the latest chipset and wireless drivers from the PC maker or roll back a recent driver that broke Bluetooth. Once drivers and services are stable, test discovery and pairing again. Finish by pairing. Open Settings, choose Add Bluetooth or other device and put your accessory into pairing mode. Follow prompts. If pairing fails, restart the PC to clear transient issues. For persistent hardware absence, consider a USB Bluetooth dongle or check BIOS/UEFI to ensure internal wireless is enabled. If issues remain, run the Windows Bluetooth troubleshooter and capture any error messages. Those codes guide specific fixes. One key tip: a full power cycle of both the PC and peripheral often resolves stubborn discovery or connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.